What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? It is your boy, Terry. And guys, we are in today's video because just 2 days ago, I did a video on this stock that we're going to talk about today. That is right, guys. We're back to CleanSpark. If you would have took my advice and bought that stock 2 days ago, you would be up about 15% today. Just 2 days later, they have some major news that made the stock jump basically almost 12% today. So that is really exciting. So guys, we're going to talk about today, is it a still good entry point at the current stock price? So that is what we want to know. Even though the stock is up about 11 to 15% since we did that last video, is it a still good time for you to purchase in on CleanSpark? So baby, we're going to talk about that in this video. So you know what's coming, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, hope you all enjoyed that intro. So here's what we're going to talk about today. Back to CleanSpark. When I did this video about 2 days ago, we were about at the $7.39 price point around October 30th. When we did that video, it was like $7.39 roughly when we did that video. And if you look at it today, it's up to $8.55. And in the past week, it is basically up about 13.85%. And yeah, so I think basically when I did this video back, we were up. So yeah, it was here about $7.39 and now we're up to $8.55. So yeah, we jumped up $1.16 roughly since that last video. So, and if we go here, one thing I thought was pretty interesting. If we go here to the Yahoo finance on this, you can see that basically it's up 11.64%. And it did go back down a little bit after hours at 8.55 it looks like. But if you noticed in the last video when we were on Yahoo Finance, this company had a market cap of $164 million. And now that the company had some good news, the actual market cap jumped up to $188 million. So, yeah, we jumped up $14 million in market cap, and we're up roughly, I think it's like 90 cents it says here that we are up. So, let's see, we're up 90 cents on the share price roughly. Well, $8.55. Yeah, we're up like $1 and change from the last video, and we're up $14 million on the market cap. So we're going to talk about, is this stock still a good time to buy, or is it too late, or should you wait? Well, really that question is up to you, but I'm going to give my opinion on this. And if you're looking to invest in this company for the long-term investment, then this is a great opportunity to still get in the company. Now, of course, there's always risk that you're going to buy in this thing tomorrow, and 2 days, for some reason, the stock's going to drop because everyone's selling out, taking short-term gains, and then here you are again buying a stock and people selling out. It happens all the time, guys. I recently bought Apple like a week ago, and it was like $120 a share, and the thing went the whole way down to $108. It's just the way it goes. But I bought Apple because I plan on holding that stock for 5-10 years. I'm not caring about if the stock goes down right now. So that is my warning to my viewers here, that if you buy this stock, long term, you're going to be okay unless something crazy happens. But short term, anything can happen, man. We're in a pandemic. We got the election. We got stimulus situations. So the world right now is a little crazy. We don't know what's going on. But if you plan on holding this stock 2, 3, 4, 5 years, then I don't think you're going to have any problems getting your money back plus a good profit on it. Just my opinion. So I think if you're looking to buy in here at $8.55 tomorrow morning, I think you're in good shape. Honestly, guys, it's not too late. I mean, that's really nothing. I mean, I know it seems like a lot because you're seeing it's up like 11%. It's like, wow, that is a lot, which, you know, it is a lot. But the stock still only has $184 million market cap, which is really good. I mean, that's so small. We're not even like, we're not even like at $1 billion yet. So this company is so small. This stock, if we go back here to the Robinhood on it, if we go to the 1 year, this thing had a high, man. It was up to $15, I believe. $14.84. So, yeah, this thing has still plenty of room to grow. And unfortunately, I myself don't have any of this stock because I'm heavily invested in, as you guys know, Golden Nugget, LCA, GNOG. That is where I have all my money at right now. But I'm still keeping an eye, and I'm waiting on that merger to come. We're going to get there. But anyway, back to this stock, man. If I had endless amounts of money, I'd be in this one too. I just think it's a great buy. So if you're into the EV stuff, I think this is a really good buy at a really good point. And I think that your money's going to be good. And as we go back to their website here, like I said, it's a very clean website, talks about all their products and services that they have. And I think it's a really good, business model because basically they're looking to use the microgrid to help businesses be more efficient. That is basically what they're doing. And I did find something pretty cool that I wanted to share with you guys. And it was an article here on the Investor Place. And this is saying 7 monster growth stocks with double-digit upside. Let me fix that there. There we go. So, and this was done on October 20th. So this was about 2 weeks ago. But I haven't covered this on my channel yet. And I think that we should cover it because people like CleanSpark. And I like learning about it too. Because I want to invest in this company. It's just not right at the moment for me, but, I want to. I think it's a good opportunity. So it says, though it's late in the year, yet these companies still offer profitability potential. So here it has money growing out of the ground, which is pretty cool. And just talking about the virus and hearing all that and why they like these 7 stocks. And look at these names on here. Upwork. We know Jeremy from Financial Education talks about Upwork and how he believes it's going to be a really good stock in the future. We got Fastly, American Well, Sportsman's Warehouse, Vista Outdoor, and Peloton. And if you look at the very last stock, we got CleanSpark, guys. That's right. So we're going to scroll the whole way down here and get to the CleanSpark part of this article, which is what we want to see. And here we go. So it says, although arguably the riskiest among the growth stocks on the list, CleanSpark offers one of the most relevant exposures to new energy solutions. Specifically, the company specializes in microgrid software, which provides the management, operation efficiencies toward a localized energy generation, storage, and distribution services. So they're basically saying that, yes, this is probably the most riskiest play out there of all of them, but it possibly has one of the biggest upside rewards because if they hit a home run, you're going to get the most profit out of this. So, like I said, with market cap right now at 188 million, and we're only 860 or 855 a share. I know we did the last video, we were at 739. Do we want to come back to another video when this thing's $10 and say, is it still a buy? So we're at that point that yes, I still give it, a big thumbs up that I think at $8 and change. Honestly, in my opinion, anything under $10 on this stock is a good buy if you plan on holding this thing for 2, 3, 5 years. And it's just all about how the company goes. So it says here, it talks about to really understand the microgrids, they compare them to macrogrids, traditional energy services, featuring large but adequate infrastructures for far-flung places. Macrogrids suffer PR crisis during the rolling blackouts in California, though relatively short-lived, even reminded by how much our traditional energy distribution channels are vulnerable to disruption. So essentially with CLSK stock, investors are exposing themselves to a new way of thinking, bringing energy solutions closer to the source of demand. In some ways, you can think CleanSpark as the CDN of energy infrastructure. As well, the stock received a big boost when media reports indicated that CleanSpark was providing software solutions for a new battery storage project in Central America. The project involved utilizing PowerPack 2 batteries made by Tesla. So that is pretty good, news right there. And we did cover an article that this company is working with 2 major EV players. So we are wondering if Tesla is going to be officially one of them. Saying here that they are helping with possibly of the batteries. Thus, possible investor will be buoyed to prospect to CleanSpark's engaging the future partnership with Tesla. So I think that is probably one of the biggest things that this stock has going for it. If you invest in this stock and Tesla announces that they are officially teamed up with CleanSpark in the microgrid energy saving solution and they're helping with the batteries, boom, this stock will take off, and who knows where it'll end up. I mean, honestly, who knows where it'll end up? Because as we know, the more that we know Tesla is making cars, of course everyone knows that, but why is people investing in Tesla? It's the technology, not necessarily the vehicles, but the technology inside of those vehicles is what people like about Tesla. And I'm going to be very curious if CleanSpark has a part of Tesla, and we're going to follow that journey on this channel, and I'm going to keep trying to bring a video out every couple of days or at least once a week on CleanSpark, but I thought we needed to do one here today because it is kind of big news, and I think we need to follow up because there is such a drastic change from just a couple days of how this stock jumped up. And as you know, we were in a bear market for a while, and the stocks are kind of going up now, but the election's today, so who knows what's going to happen. So right now, I'm not currently investing anymore in any stock until the next couple of days pass, unless there is like a crazy deal out there that I want to go ahead and pick it up. But right now, I'm just kind of holding off for the rest of this week. Unless there is a major dip in the market, I can pick up a great deal at a great price, and I'm happy with it. So until then, I'd rather still wait a week or so out just to see what happens. That's just what I'm planning on doing. Like I said, if there's a great buying opportunity out there, then I'll definitely take advantage of that. So that is kind of my game plan, guys. What is your game plan? What are you looking to do? You know what to do. Comment down below, and I'll reply back to you. Guys, I appreciate all you guys' love and support. And the next time I do this video on CleanSpark, where are we going to be at? So that's going to be interesting. Are we going to? Right now we're at 8:55. Last time we were at 7:39. Now we're at 8:55. Where are we going to be the next time? So, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. And remember to buy the dip.